Ever wondered about the global reach of a bank that's so quintessentially British, it has a black horse as its emblem? We're talking about Lloyds Bank, a name synonymous with UK banking. But in today's interconnected world, does a bank like Lloyds truly stay confined to its home turf, or does its financial hooves gallop across international borders? It's a question many ask, especially those with international aspirations, whether for personal finances, business ventures, or simply curious about the vast network of global finance. For centuries, Britain has been a powerhouse in trade and finance, and its banking institutions naturally followed suit. Lloyds Bank, with a heritage stretching back to 1765 in Birmingham, has certainly played a significant role in this history. For a long time, its international presence was indeed substantial, expanding significantly in the 20th century, reaching dozens of countries. However, the landscape of global banking is constantly shifting, with banks often restructuring their operations to focus on core markets. So, where does Lloyds Bank stand today? While Lloyds Banking Group, the parent company, is one of the largest financial services organizations in the United Kingdom, its direct retail banking presence, meaning physical branches where you can walk in and open an account, is primarily concentrated within the UK. This includes the major brands under its umbrella, such as Lloyds Bank, Halifax, and Bank of Scotland. You'll find their commercial banking offices spanning the length and breadth of the UK, from London to Manchester, Glasgow to Bristol. Their focus is clearly on helping Britain prosper, a core part of their stated purpose. However, that doesn't mean Lloyds Bank has no international footprint. Far from it. While not operating a vast network of retail branches worldwide, Lloyds Bank provides international services primarily through its international banking division and commercial banking operations. These services cater to individuals and businesses with significant ties to the UK or those engaged in international trade. For individuals, Lloyds Bank International offers accounts and services domiciled in locations like the Channel Islands and the Isle of Man, often referred to as offshore banking. These accounts are designed for expatriates, international travelers, or those seeking multi-currency solutions. You can typically find international current accounts in sterling, euro, and US dollar, along with international savings and foreign exchange services. These are accessed predominantly through online banking, mobile apps, and telephone banking, rather than physical branches in every corner of the globe. On the commercial front, Lloyds Bank actively supports businesses involved in international trade. They have specific capabilities across North America, Asia, and Europe, with teams and specialists dedicated to helping corporate and institutional clients navigate the complexities of global markets. This includes providing financial solutions, risk management strategies, and funding to facilitate international trade flows. They assist with everything from international money transfers and foreign exchange to more complex financing for cross-border ventures. Their presence in the US and Europe, for instance, is geared towards supporting clients with strong links to the UK in these key trading regions. In essence, while the familiar Black Horse logo might not grace physical branches in every capital city around the world, Lloyds Bank's influence extends internationally through its specialized services for individuals and businesses engaged in global activities. Their strategy is to provide targeted support in strategic international markets, rather than establishing a widespread retail network. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.